If I had two words to describe this townhome, they'd be modern luxury. I mean, let's talk about this beautiful kitchen. Agent Bosco here, broker with Sotheby's International Realty Canada. I'm super excited to introduce you to my newest listing, 30 Michael Power Place, right here in the heart of Etobicoke. This rarely offered 3-bedroom townhome has been impeccably renovated from top to bottom with a spectacular chef-inspired kitchen that's made for cooking and entertaining. You don't want to miss this one.